how to log into your ChatGPT account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can log into ChatGPT account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into ChatGPT account, you have to come to the official website, which is chat.openai.com. I will also make sure to drop a link below. Now, to log into your account, you must have already signed up for it. So if you've not signed up, you can click on the sign up button over here and then just go ahead and then simply create your account by using your Google or your Microsoft account. Or else you could basically come back, then just click on the option called login. Once you choose the option called login, make sure to enter your email address or your password and then log in into your account. Or you can also simply select one of the login methods over here. Select the account that you'd like to log in with, and then you'll be successfully logged into your ChatGPT account. In case you're not being able to log in, as I repeat, you can try to clear your browser cache and do whatever else you can in order to log into your ChatGPT account here. This is simply how you can log into ChatGPT. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.